Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to create a email CC field in the customer account so that if suppose currently when we try to log in, there is only one email where all the transaction emails, like when you try to place the order, all the emails are go take place, right? Suppose I want like that email will be going to the another account also, so there is no option like you can add multiple emails so that the same email can be copied to the another emails. Okay, so like suppose sometimes I'm not able to see the my account on that email, so I can add a different email so that on that email I also get notification of the transactions emails, like this order is also placed. So we are going to learn how to add the email CC field in the customer account and get all the transaction emails on that email ID also. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. So first of all, let's create a module. This is the module part, right? Okay, and here we go with the etc. We have a xml, and this is extension attributes we are using module.xml. Okay, in the di.xml, let me open this one. So here we have di.xml where we have Rajnikant email CC plugin. Okay, for the mail template transport builder we are using. Okay, for the overriding, and we have a plugin then transport builder. So here we are, you can see that there is the email CC part we are exploding and just sending to the email copy. Okay, function, right? And then here you can see that the before get transport email we are using, so that whatever the email that's adding, so we are using we are getting that field from the customer admin field. Here we have added the customer CC field and we are just exploding and send that part also. Okay, and here we have the setup file for the CC part for the admin email CC. Okay, and after this file done, then we have a email CC template file. So here we have added the email copy to email address and comma separated part, right? And this is registration.php. So all these files includes to add such kind of things. So let's check out how it is working in the front end. So first of all, let me compile this code and let's check this one. Okay, so here we go with the project community, open with the folder. So this is done. Let's have a look of the local host Magento 5. I'm adding the admin first. So here we go with the customers. We have all customers. Then we will go with edit any of the customer, right? So here we go with that one, edit. So account information. So here you can see that we have an email CC. So suppose I am adding the email for this one. Suppose I add Rajnikant at the rate millinator, Rajnikant 90 at the rate millinator.com. So one email address is that should shown. Another, I can get Rajnikant 78 at the rate millinator.com. I want the transaction emails to be sending on these two parts, right? So you can add it, save this customer, so you can get the all the email notification on both the emails. Okay, so you can see that email cc part is also added. So whatever, how many emails you can add and send all the transactional emails to that email cc part also. Okay, so it's very, you can see that it's very useful for that part in case you are not able to get this notifications. Okay, and you have no don't have, so someone can check this notification and pick up the order, and or you can someone can confirm you. Okay, so that's why we are using this part and it's very useful. So any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section, because currently I am not adding the I think email configuration, I guess. Let me check that if it is has. There is no extension of Maze Plaza, I guess. There is SMTP, right? Let me check that this both emails are getting orders or not. Let's see that. Okay, so let's add this one. So here we go with the sign in account. Which account I have changed? Customer account. I had this account should work, I guess. So my account. Here we go with the, where it is configuration settings. Customers. We have all customers, which I have added. Super admin, no. Let me add this one. Okay, so here we have account information. So I have added, currently it's super admin. I'm going to add two emails or Rajnikant at the rate millinator.com/Rajnikant 7 at the rate millinator.com. Okay, these two things we have added. Save this customer. Okay, flush the cache also. System cache management. Okay, so let's place one of the order. Here we go with the order. So I'm going to add this product. You can't add this in the shopping cart. Added. This is, I guess. So which one has the products? Why the products are not added? Mhm. We cannot add this item to the shopping cart now. Why? Let me check this part. Catalog, products. Let me add this product. Mm, Rajnikant product name, price 12, quantity this, select categories, default, every category we have done, and sizes, content, images, save. Advanced bundles model. Any plugin that we have added? Let me check this part. Where we go with this one? Hello friends, you can see that actually in the previous one there is a no add to cart button functionality, so I have installed the new Magento right now. So okay, so I'm going to add the module from that to that code. Okay, so let me check that part. HTML, then we have a Magento 5 app code Rajnikant. So I'm going to add it in our new Magento project app, create a new folder code, and here we're going to add the extension. Okay, so now I'm going to upgrade the command and check that. Okay, and here we go with the setup di compile. Then we are going to do the upgrade. Deploy. So this is added. Okay, if I'm moving to this part, SMTP Mage Plaza I have installed. This is the dashboard of the project, and here we go with the stores, then configuration. Let me configure the password. Here we go with this one, SMTP. Now we are going to add this Rajnikant, not activate. General configuration, enable this SMTP, yes. And where we have a load email part, some configuration, load hosting, Gmail suite, and username, gmail.com, and the password. We are going to add my password which I have already generated here. So I'm going to add this one. So let's return path Rajnikant 90 at the rate millinator.com. Okay, let's save this one and let's check. So this configuration is saved. Let's add the send test email, Rajnikant at the rate millinator.com. Okay, so let's test now. Authentication failed. Why? What's happening? Mrs. Star Rajnikant. This authentication, login, save settings, go to the cache, flush the cache, and reload this one. So here we go with the testing the mail. So mail has been successfully sent. Let's check out the creating the account and let's finish it up. Okay, so open this one. There is no product. Let me add this one of the product. Admin, already here with the admin, and go with the catalog products, add product. So test product, 12 quantity 12, set category default. So let's save this product. Okay, let's check out here we have the test product or not. Let's add the test one. So here we have test product. I'm going to create an account over here. So I'm going to add the account email. So I'm going to add here account 90 @mailinator.com. Okay, so this one email that I'm adding, mailinator. Okay, and password, you're going to add this username Rajni 90. So create an account. Okay, account is created, and let's go to the dashboard. Go to the customers, all customers here, so we can edit this one. Account information here, I'm going to add Rajni Khan 91. Okay, Rajni Khan at the millinator. I'm going to add one more .com and comma Rajni Khan 78 @millinator.com. Both emails are correct. Millinator. Okay, save this customer. Flush the cache system. Okay, let's have a look. Let's create an order. So I'm going to add this product. Go to this one, proceed to checkout. Okay, my billing, place order. Let's check the millinator. Done. Let's check the millinator. Okay, millinator. Then we are going to add Rajni Kant 90. You can see that this order has been placed. Let's add the another one we have already, public invoices. So here we go with Rajnikant 90. And what other emails we have added here? So it's where we go with Rajnikant 78. We can also check that one, Rajnikant 78 also. 78. You can see that here also the email is received. Now what is another email that is working out? So another email is Rajnikant 91. So I'm going to put the 91 also here. Public invoices. Then Rajnikant 91. Okay. So here we go. See all the emails or whatever email that we have added in the backend of the customer, you can see that all that taking place and all the transaction emails sent to that part. Okay, so this is how this is very useful. You can say multiple emails, multiple CC you can want to add in the customer account, so you will receive the multiple emails on that part. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.